Thank you very much. I'm Babu Owino, Mombasa East Member of Parliament. First, I would like to thank the Almighty God for helping this case be a success. Secondly, I would like to thank my family for giving me the support, the moral support that they provided to enable us win the case. Thirdly, I would like to thank the judicial system. Finally, justice has been served. I would also like to thank my lawyers. To my lawyers, that was a wonderful job. Mr. Wele, Honorable James Orengo, and the IBC lawyer, Mr. Odiambo. Congratulations and thank you very much. To the people of Mombasa East constituency, I would like to thank them very much, and I would like to let them know that they elected an intelligent and a competent leader who will serve their interest. I will serve with the people of Mombasa East constituency. To the members of parliament who are here, starting with our Secretary General, Mr. Edwin Sifuna, thank you very much. Thank you very much, members of parliament who are here. To all Kenyans, I would like to thank you very much for the prayers that you offered. And may God bless all of you. I will serve you. I will extend an olive branch to serve you all. I would also like to congratulate Mheshimiwa Nyamai for winning our appeal. She is the chair of the Lands Committee. She is my chair lady of the Lands Committee. And congratulations, Mheshimiwa. To my opponents, I would like to urge them to wake up from the ground. They dust up and move forward. I invite them to come and help me serve the people of the Mombasa East constituency. I know there's a time for everything, a time to be led and a time to lead. This is a time for my opponents to be led. Let them respect the people in power now so that when their time comes, they can be respected back. And I believe that also in them there's leadership. We will not dismiss them as our opponents. I will embrace them and I will pray that Almighty God one day to help them achieve their dreams in life. God bless Kenyans. Thank you very much and God bless everybody. Asanteni sana.
Okay.
What do you address people from the pickup?
Of course, those are live pictures once again coming our way from the highest court in the land, that is the Supreme Court of Kenya, after the court upheld the election of Paul Ongili, well known as Babu Owino, as Embakasi East Member of Parliament. And of course, this ruling comes right after one that was made by the High Court back in March, which nullified his election over what the court then termed as irregularities. Babu then had asked the court to dismiss the petition against him as minor irregularities. He said should not be used to nullify an election. And he and his rival, Francis Muriithi, have been, of course, competing for that top seat in Embakasi East constituency. Once again, those are live pictures coming our way. You can see jubilation. His supporters, his legal team, they're celebrating the ruling there by the Supreme Court, which upheld his election as the Embakasi East Member of Parliament. Earlier on, we had Honorable Sumra, also a Member of Parliament from Embakasi, speaking, as well as Edwin Sifuna, who is also an official in the ODM party, and I believe is also part of the legal team that represented Babu there, saying that this time round we should be careful because this is a politician that has been known to be some sort of a high voltage politician, and is being told or is being asked to tone it down, especially as the country goes through what politicians refer to as the handshake spirit. So there you go. Those are still some of the politicians there addressing the supporters of Babu Owino, even as they